Yo, what is up, guys? So this we're gonna do a little bit of a what would have been trade breakdown, trade recap. I I missed this trade off open. Unfortunately, I'm actually kind of upset about it a little bit. So let's start off on the 1 hour time frame. You guys can see ES has kind of been in this ugly range for almost a full week or full week tomorrow. Um, so normally I start on the 1 hour. I just kind of get an overall gist of what the market's doing, and then I drop down to the 15-minute time frame and I look at kind of some more detailed market structure. I'll mark out previous day high low, London high low, Asia high low, depending on if they're still intact for the morning. Um, One thing that I noticed off RIP was overnight session created a higher low. It didn't come down to this major area of support that I had marked out on my chart. 15-minute looks really bullish, or it did look really bullish at the time. I ended up dropping down to the 5 minute, and this was a couple of things that I was looking at. So you guys can see this 5 minute range that I marked out. I just marked out some pretty key intraday support and resistance levels. So the one thing I was looking at before market open, if I wanted to be bullish, I was going to look for a displacing candle to the upside with a retest, which I got right here, and then a confirmation candle coming away from that. And the two things that confirmed this move for me to want to have taken this trade, I just misclicking the buy button. Um, I got my confirmation candle, which would have solidified my entry, but the two things that sold me on this trade was London high was right here. Previous day high was all the way up here. Those would have been two really key targets that I would have had for this trade. Um, and you guys can see this 5 minute candle to the upside. That was the market open candle for the 5 minute time frame. Just absolutely ripped up, and that would have stopped me out right here. I would have literally missed my full take profit by like 2 ticks. Um, but after I missed getting filled, or I didn't even get filled, I just missed clicking the button. I just managed this trade as if I was actually in this trade. So I would have got stopped out roughly around like right here. So yeah, man. This would have been a banger of a trade to start off the week. That would have been a 1 to 4. I would have been risking $50 to make roughly like 170, 160. So yeah, we're gonna keep moving on. I'm completely done trading for today. This is what I would have wanted to take for today. So Monday we're starting off with no trades. So yeah.